Before we begin, make sure you are wearing the right safety gear for the site you are working on and tools you are using. You will need a flat paint scraper, a second pair of hands depending on the size and weight of the product. To begin, stand on the inside of the house. You will firstly need to remove the internal sash. Open the sash and with a paint scraper make sure the security block in the head is out of the way. Then hold the sash on both sides and lift it up into the head before tilting the bottom out towards you until the whole sash can be removed. Place the sash somewhere safe. To remove your screen for cleaning, hold the pull tab and lift the screen on a slight angle towards the top corner of the opening side of the window. Guide the leading side of the screen into the jamb. Gently pull the opposing top corner up into the head and finally pull the leading top corner before tilting the bottom out towards you. Before refitting your fly screen, ensure your fly screen blocks are in the outer track roughly 50mm away from either side. Refit the fly screen back into the window. You will need to fit the internal sash back into the window